Welcome to How to 360. Today we're mastering the art of pan-seared steak in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 2 nice ribeye or strip steaks about 1 3/4 inches thick, kosher salt, pepper, a tablespoon of neutral oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic cloves, and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Ready? Let's go. First, pat your steaks completely dry. This ensures a perfect crust. Let them sit at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. This helps them cook evenly. Generously season both sides with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Don't be shy, this is where the flavor lives. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet. Cast iron is ideal, over high heat. Add your oil and let it shimmer but not smoke. Carefully lay the steak away from you to avoid splatter. Sear for about 2 minutes without moving it. This creates that mouth-watering crust. Flip and add butter, garlic, and herbs. Tilt the pan and spoon that nutty butter over the steak for another 2 minutes for medium rare. Adjust time by 30 seconds per side for rarer or more well done. For perfect doneness, aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature for medium rare. Remove at about 120 degrees, the temperature will continue to rise while resting. Rest your steak on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes. This lets the juices redistribute, keeping every bite juicy. Slice against the grain for maximum tenderness, plate, garnish with parsley, and pour any resting juices over the top, and there you have it. Perfectly pan-seared steak, tender, juicy, and packed with flavor. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy. 5 easy steps to steak mastery. Dry and season. Sear each side, baste, rest, and slice. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick cooking tutorials. What should we cook next? Let us know in the comments below.